Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery above 50%, backup complete, and Google account credentials at hand. Power off the Realme C11. While holding volume down plus power, enter recovery or fast boot as needed. This lets you access wipe and reset tools. Once in recovery, use volume keys to navigate and power to select. Make sure to note whether the device is encrypted. If it is, a factory reset will erase user data. Now proceed to the targeted reset option. You select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This removes accounts and user apps, solving most login failures caused by system corruption. After confirming, return and choose Wipe Cache Partition to eliminate temporary files that block services. If a Google account lock appears after reboot, you must sign in with the previously synced Google account. This is FRP protection. Once done, reboot system now. If login still fails, proceed to firmware reflash using the correct Realme C11 ROM and the official tool. You reflash official firmware only if reset didn't restore login. This replaces corrupted system files. Download the exact Realme C11 ROM, enable EDL or fastboot mode as required, and use a reliable PC with proper drivers. During flashing, keep the cable connected and avoid power interruptions. Once the phone boots, sign in with the original Google account to bypass FRP. If you still can't access the device, the key troubleshooting step is proof of purchase and contacting Realme support for FRP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.